Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we are crafting some of the accessories from Kira Bailey's platform tent. In this video, we make Kira's toiletries, her blanket, and a no-sew pillow. Leave a like if you enjoy this video and subscribe to help our channel grow.
What a beautiful bush morning!
So, let's get making. For the dry shampoo bottle, we are using an offcut of wooden dowel. To make it thicker, roll the dowel in strips of computer paper 5.5 centimeters high. Wrap with another strip of paper that is 5 centimeters to create a recessed top. Glue on a perla bead for the can's nozzle and a circle of paper on bottom to cover the wood. Paint the top and base silver. Cut a strip of paper 5 centimeters tall for the label. Draw the circle close to one side, then sketch 4 arched lines. Colour in with bright markers and use white gel pen for the text and highlighted areas. Adhere to the can with glue stick. To make a cap, cut a 1.3 centimeter strip of plastic packaging and wrap around the can, overlapping slightly. Cut away any excess. Bond with a strong glue like E6000 and use mini pegs to hold in place while it dries. Slip the cap onto the can and apply more E6000 to the rim. Cut a clear circle of packaging, ours is 1.5 centimeters in diameter, and pop on top. When the glue has dried and become clear, your shampoo is ready for use. We made a simple toothbrush from a skinny stick. Measure 5 centimeters from the curve end and cut. Repeat for the other side. Adhere the two pieces together with liquid school glue. Next, sketch the neck of the toothbrush about 1 centimeter from the flat end. Cut away the wood from the sides and file with an emery board for a smooth finish. To match the AG version, we painted our toothbrush orange, but you can choose any colour your dolls like. Adhere a tiny rectangle of white fun foam for the bristles. We took a thick straw for our toothpaste tube. Cut a piece 5 centimeters long. Find a bead that will fit snugly into the circular opening. Now, on a non-stick surface, fill one end with hot glue and press flat to close the end of the tube. Fill the other end with more hot glue and insert the bead. Affix a white perla bead on top as seen for the cap. Since our straw was black, we needed to give our toothpaste tube a couple of coats of white paint. We drew and coloured a label on poster board, then used glue stick to attach. Cover with clear packaging tape to protect the paper and give the tube a shiny appearance. For the tissue box, find or make mini boxes 3.5 centimeters tall by 1.5 centimeters wide. Matchstick boxes are a great option. Fold a scrap of white cotton into thirds, gluing closed with a line of hot glue. Put more glue on the bottom and fold in half. Take one mini box and cover with hot glue. Place your fabric strip in the middle with the folded end sticking out about 2 centimeters. Cover with more glue and attach the other box. Press firmly to sandwich the fabric inside and seal the edges where the boxes are joined. Give it an undercoat in white paint. Now, paint your tissue box purple like Kira's. Referencing the AG version, sketch a simple flower, then colour in with green, yellow and hot pink markers. Let's switch to Kira's bedding. Cut 2 rectangles of magenta fabric, 52 by 45 centimeters. Take one piece and place on baking paper or another similar non-stick surface as we intend to paint on the blanket details. Begin with the 3 stripes. We used a mix of white and cream fabric paint. Add the purple V shapes along the top and bottom. Toward the center of the blanket, paint the brown diagonal stripes. Find the center cream stripe and paint small triangles and V designs on each side. We did a white layer first, then went over it in light purple. Set aside to dry. To give our blanket some weight, we are adding a layer of toweling left over after making Kira's ottoman. Stack and pin your fabric, starting with the towel piece, then the painted piece good side facing up, and then the plain magenta fabric good side facing down. Hand or machine sew around all 4 sides. We allowed a 2 cm seam allowance. On one short side, leave an opening so the blanket can be turned out. Turn the fabric under for a neat finish and sew the gap closed. Now the bed looks really cute and cozy. Let's add a simple no-sew pillow made from felt. We have an A4 size sheet of felt. We are using purple, but Kira's pillow is pink, but need to turn down and glue the edges of the long sides to slightly reduce the width. Using an AG pillow as our guide, fold the felt into thirds. Draw a line of hot glue along the center third edge on both sides. Then fold over one end and press firmly to seal. Now put hot glue along the outside edges of the top third flap, but leave a 5 cm gap at the center top. Again, fold over and press firmly to seal. Find the opening we left and stuff the pillow with batting. When it is nice and plump, put more hot glue under the opening and press down to seal the gap. We now have a pillow perfect for Kira's bedding. There are more accessory pieces yet to make for Kira's platform tent. So come back soon to see how we make her wildflower tapestry, magazine, polaroid string and koala cushion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.